welcome back to Zola's Feast. To all of my regular subscribers, welcome home guys. To anybody new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. Last week I showed you how to make my delicious preserved lychees. They've been sitting for a while in the fridge and now it's time to make a delicious Litchi Martini. So good. Let's make a cocktail. The cocktail recipe starts with a cup of ice into a shaker, then 1.5 parts or measures of gin, or you could use vodka, and a half measure of vermouth, as well as the juice of a lime. Now to add our lychee juice. I need 2 pots of the lychee syrup. 2. Close the lid and shake. You want to make sure that you shake for at least 30 seconds because you want it ice cold. Once well and truly shaken, time to strain into a martini glass. Garnish with a few of your gorgeous preserved lychees. I love a drink that has something to eat at the end. And there you have it, a gorgeous Litchi Martini. Cheers! Mmm. Mmm.